Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable your exchange rate alert in Wise app. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Wise app and already logged in. And now right after that, once you open it, you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Wise apps on in the screen, where you can see your profile picture at the top left corner of this dashboard. Simply tap on that profile picture and you can see the settings option just down below of this personal details option. So you need to select the settings option, and now you can see the exchange rate alert just down below of this personal details. So once you tap on that exchange rate alerts, you'll be able to see the interface on in the screen, where you can see it is written it's quite in here, and just down below it you can see create a new alert button. So you need to select that button, and now you'll be able to enable your exchange alert from here by modifying or customizing your configuration. So you can see you can select your source currency by tapping on the dirham, and you can also select your target currency by tapping on the EUR. And just down below it you can see the live chart on the AED EUR, and if you can see just down below of this chart, there is two options. First one is daily updates and another is threshold updates. So you can see in daily of this there is written gets daily notification about the AED EUR exchange rate. So if you want to get daily updates, simply enable this option, and you can see just down below of this threshold updates there is written get a notification when AED EUR hits a desired rate. So if you enable this one, you can enter your desired rate over here, let's say 100 EUR, and now finally tap on the continue. And you can see there is two alert options. First one is email and another is push. So you can see email is already enabled, and if you want to get notifications in your notification section, then simply enable the push as well, and finally tap on the save alert, and yeah, you will be able to enable your exchange rate alerts in Wise app successfully. And finally tap on the got it. And this is how you can enable your exchange rate alert in Wise app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this very helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.